This is a quick start guide for the Excel Skills Petty Cash template. This template enables users to control the expenses that are paid through any petty cash or cash float system. Let's start with the data that you need to enter. So the data sheet contains all the transactions that have been recorded. So you'll see firstly at the top of the sheet, there's two sales tax codes provided for. This is two codes for entering percentages. There's a third code, which is the E code. If you select that, no sales tax is calculated. So in terms of transaction recording, the transaction date can be entered based on your regional date settings. The journal number, we recommend assigning a journal number for every basically petty cash reimbursement. So at that point, record everything on one journal entry when you do the reimbursement. That will enable you to print a detailed journal. The voucher number, if you use petty cash or cash float vouchers, then enter voucher numbers in a numerical sequence. Supplier reference and description is straightforward. Your inclusive amount for expenses will be negative values and reimbursement will have a positive value. Account number, the account numbers that are available from the drop-down list are the ones that are created on the report sheet. We include both the account number and description, which is why you're seeing the validation error. This is as per design and can safely be ignored. You can also have a look at our support section on our YouTube channel if you want to remove the validation error and thereby also remove the descriptions from the drop-down. All reimbursements need to be allocated to this generic bank account number. Tax code, you just select your sales tax code here and the sales tax is calculated accordingly. So all the columns with yellow column headings are user input columns. Columns with light blue column headings, the sales tax amount, exclusive amount and the error code. These are automated, contain formulas and will be extended when you add entries to the data sheet. Okay, so all your petty cash entries are recorded on the data sheet and then updated automatically to the report sheet. So the report sheet, it includes a start date at the top of the sheet. You can specify any start date and the subsequent 12-month period will be included there. All the amounts are calculated automatically for these 12 months plus the total. And the only user input is the account number and account description. You can use any account numbering convention. So you can add your existing general ledger accounts to the template. And you can insert new accounts by inserting a row, entering a new account number and description, and copying the formulas from column C to the end. The last two rows contain generic account numbers for the bank account and the sales tax. All new accounts must be created above these account numbers. Okay, so the journal sheet, you can enter any journal number and it will show you the totals of per account where the journal entries were allocated. The first two are generic, so if you have a different sales tax account number or a different petty cash bank account number, you can enter them, replace these two generic accounts with them. So the journal number is a journal number that's included on in column B on the data sheet. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you want more guidance on the template, please review our detailed instruction sheet where we cover everything in detail. You can also go to our YouTube channel. In the support section, we'll add videos based on user feedback.